Cast automatic slitting machine can cut post paper lures into specific size and package them at once. So when the base paper comes into slitting machine, evenly spaced blades cut the paper, and it automatically laps the papers to a paper core. And the completely lapped paper lure is transferred to the next process through a conveyor belt. The paper lures are separated, and their sides are smoothed by machine. Finally, 4 paper lures are packaged into one unit. The cast automatic slitting machine is fast and accurate as it slits one post paper lure into 4,800 pieces in only 1 hour.